If you look closely, on my phone it says that this message was encrypted and this one is not encrypted. And it has it right in iMessage. This is something that is pretty new to latest updates of iOS 26, and I'm going to show you to turn that on. Essentially, if your messages, so let's hop into the settings, and I'll show you where this setting is. When we're on the main settings page, we got to scroll all the way down until you see apps, and then tap on M, or scroll down until you get to messages, tap on it to open it, and then scroll down until you see RCS Messaging. Essentially, RCS messages use wireless data, and regular iMessages can use Wi-Fi as well. So you don't have to have a cell phone plan to use iMessages if your messaging partner also has iMessages. But RCS goes between different types of phones, iPhone or not. And the end-to-end encryption right here is turned on for me. That's where I'm able to see that encryption message in iMessage. So you can turn this on right here. Make sure RCS messaging is turned on as well. And also make sure that up here you have iMessage turned on. And if you do those things, your messages will now be encrypted from the time they leave your phone to the time they arrive at your partner's phone. Bad actors will not be able to intercept your messages. They can still read them on your partner's phone if they have access to it, but they can't intercept the messages. And if you want to scam-proof your phone, this PDF document is the best way to go. I made it for you. It's totally free. Just scan this QR code or click the link at the top of the description or in the pinned comment. It goes to the same place. You can download this 100% for free and scam-proof your phone today. And if you want to make sure your phone doesn't have any malware or viruses on it, this video shows you how to find them and delete them if they're present. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.